YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I previously did a video on stretching my hair using the tension method. However, I was in Ulta the other day and I was just perusing the aisles and I came across this bad boy. It is the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. I've seen some people on YouTube, Instagram, I guess you can say all over use this, and I've always been very curious as to how it will treat, you know, long 4C type hair, especially my own. So if you want to see the results on the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer, please keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video. So I've already gone ahead and detangled my hair because I'm not about all that snagging and extra stuff. I just want to get into the video. I just want to see where this works. I don't want to waste you guys' time and I'm just ready to go. Alright, so I've already sectioned my hair in small sections, but again, I like to work in smaller sections, so I will be sectioning off each one and then going through. I don't have any heat protectant. I'm not sure why I don't have any, but I'm just gonna use some extra virgin olive oil as well as the Do leave-in conditioner from Opulent Hair Essentials. So I'm just gonna put maybe about this amount and then just about this amount of leave-in. I don't want to put too much product in my hair, and then blow dry. According to the box, it promises smooth results with less frizz in half the time, less heat-related damage, and it has yeah. Let's just see what it looks like. This is all it comes with. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It is huge. Even the arm part is huge. And this is what it looks like. These are the bristles. And it has high, low, and cool setting. So, let's see what this bad boy can do. So I'm going to start off on cool and see how I like it. So yeah, cool is a little bit too cool for me and I don't have time for this. So I'm going to put it to low and then gradually go to high, but let's see what the low looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks after doing it on low. It's not bad. The roots feel really nice. My hair feels soft. I think I can get used to this. Alright, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. So far so good. My hair feels nice. I'm pleasantly impressed. I'm just gonna go back over my hair once more. I want to see it on high. I'm just gonna pass it like maybe 3 or 4 times on each section and then we're gonna be done. So once gone on done. Hey y'all, I am back and this is what my hair looks like. Is this crazy? Let me show you guys the back. It's nice and soft and huge. Oh my goodness. pleasantly surprised. I'll definitely use this again. Please note that I did treat my hair with an Indian clay mask. That's why I didn't have a problem not using the heat protectant. My hair felt really strong while I was doing it, and it still feels the same way. Yeah, what can I say? I am in love with this. Y'all, my hair is even more stretched out than when I did the tension method. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next part. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And remember to follow me on all my social media accounts. It's Loaferette at Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Alright, enjoy the bloopers. And I show you guys the back.